Hey, what's up, YouTube? So, from my previous video, y'all know that I got the Factory 43 Nerf bars. So, as y'all can see, the only Nerf bar net color they offer is black. So, what I did, I ordered some custom nets from JSR Moto Designs. They make custom nets for any type of Nerf bar, any brand Nerf bar you may have. They have a wide array of colors, and you can also get any name, any number you want put on them. And they also offer like reinforced Nerf bar nets in case you just don't want to get the standard. So mine came in. I'ma unbox them and let y'all see what they look like. Okay, so as y'all can see, this is the rear section that's gonna go on. As y'all can see, it's netted up entirely different from the nets that come standard with the Factory 43. Letting y'all get a quick look. And you can see they got their logo, the name of the company right there, stitched in the back. And that's gonna be the front half. As y'all can see, they put Sonic Raptor on mine, and I wanted the number 5 on it. And that's the company name right there. I mean, you can do mix match colors. I just wanted all blue. I didn't really try to, go into too much detail with them. But they do have Facebook. They do have an Instagram page. You can look on and see the different designs that other customers have made and the colors that they have came up with. Some do mixed match colors, some do solid colors. I just went with one solid color. So I'm gonna switch these out real quick and I'm gonna let y'all see what it look like. Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, I got them on. JSR Moto Designs, custom Nerf bar nets. I got the reinforced option, but you can get, they have 2 more options. They have the standard option and they have a more reinforced option that you can choose, and you can choose any color you want. And if you want to get an engraving in them, they can stitch it in for you. So let me know what y'all think.